What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning hacks, tips, and tricks. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove spilt wax off of any surface just with one ingredient. I don't know about you guys, but I love candles and I love my wax warmers, but sometimes I get a little crazy moving fast and I move it and then I accidentally spill it. And there have been times I've been like, oh crap, how do I get that up? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I can easily do that now. I'm going to show you guys the spilt wax on two different types of surfaces, one on my counter and then one on my chair. So first and foremost, you want to let the wax dry. Do not try to clean it up while it's still wet. It's going to be a mess. So the magic product you need is dun-da-da, petroleum jelly, or as you would say, Vaseline. This is going to save your life. So as I said previously in the video, you want to make sure that the wax is completely dry. So I'm just touching it right here to make sure that it is dry. And then what you are going to do is you're going to take a microfiber cloth, or I guess even your finger, and you're going to want to spread the Vaseline all around where the wax spilt and rub it in really well. After you do that, you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. After you wait about 10 minutes, here comes the easy part. You simply just pick it off and wipe it away. The Vaseline should have helped it to stay together in like one big clump. And this is so nice because you're not scratching the surface or causing damage on anything. You're literally just kind of picking it off almost in one big clump. And just like that, the wax is gone. It's completely off, no damage, no anything. Now on to my chair, same thing. You want to take your finger and kind of just go under it and lift up as big of chunks as you can. And it honestly came up so effortlessly. And look, there's no damage. I just wipe it away and it looks perfectly clean. All right, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new. Leave me some comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.